Okay, so if you need to create graphs, you want to first identify whether the variable you're graphing is quantitative, which means numerical, or qualitative. Quantitative variables are variables like numbers, like this it looks quantitative, this it looks quantitative. This one might not be, because I think this is um, the their identification numbers for each person. Quantitative variables are variables where you could add and subtract them and it makes sense to do so. Like if I was to add and subtract, like maybe if I was to add plus 10 due to machine error on this, that would make sense. But if I was to add plus 10 due to a scale of, due to it, not a scale, but due to a numbering system for a person, that just puts you in a different place. Like a better way, I guess, would say it's quantitative if you can take the mean and the mean actually makes sense. It tells you something. Taking the mean, that tells me something about these people. If I take the mean of their body weight or whatever this variable is. If I take the mean of a column of men and women, well, you can't even really do that, right? So this is qualitative because I can't take the mean. Quantitative is when I can take the mean. Okay, so if you want a quantitative graph, then you want a histogram or a box plot. You could do a dot plot, but those are the two most common. Qualitative, the most common are bar graphs, which are different than histograms, and pie charts are probably the second most common. Um, so histograms and bar graphs are often mixed. The difference is that histograms has a quantitative variable on the x-axis. A bar graph has a qualitative variable. It has categories. Okay, so I'll show you how to do these in Google Sheets. So to make a histogram, you should be able to just click the entire column. If I click the column name, it selects all of it. And insert, and then chart, and then it automatically tried to make a scatter plot. And I'm not sure how it's doing that because I haven't given it two variables, but I want to click that and choose histogram. And there's my histogram. That's something I can move around. I can right click it. It doesn't let me directly copy it, but you could take a screenshot. There's probably a way to copy here. If I hit Control C and then I try to open up Microsoft Word, see if I can paste it. Oh, wow, that works. That's it. That's all you have to do for histogram. Select the data you want to make the histogram for. Type insert. Click insert chart, and that should work. And then for a box plot, I don't think Google Sheets has that built in. Insert chart. There's a line chart, which this is you would use a line chart if you have a you could have a quantitative variable and time, so you have to have two variables going on there. In my data set, they're subject numbers. That's not a calculation of time. So line charts are really supposed to be if you have time as a variable. I don't see box and whisker, in other words, box plots. So can't do that through Excel. You could just Google search box plot creator though, and that would be fine. Those work pretty easy. Oh, I know the problem. My Microsoft Word is on another screen. Okay, I think if you want to copy them, you can edit. Oh yeah, so just select your chart, click edit and copy, and then you should be able to paste it anywhere. Or you could just take a screenshot. On Windows, you'd hold the Windows key, Shift and S to take a screenshot of a certain area, and that copies it to your clipboard. Okay, but bar graphs, remember those are for qualitative variables. Like these are qualitative variables, and these are qualitative variables. Um, so to create a bar graph, click the data you want to create the bar graph for. Go to Insert, Chart, and then column or bar. Either one should work, and it automatically makes it in Google Sheets. I think in Excel you have to do a little bit of extra work, but same thing. Just click Insert, Chart, and then if I wanted a pie chart of this data set, of this variable, I should say, I'm gonna click the column name to select all of them, or if you want it just for, well, I don't know why you would. You need to have separate categories, but you can obviously just select the ones you want to. But if I want a pie chart, I'm going to select the data, click Insert, Chart, and then I'm going to go to pie. And it's already labeled it. So I think it's actually easier in Google Sheets than what I remember in Excel.